natin mamang intro natin. So, go live na pa.
Wait.
Ito, nagre-recording na. And, okay, we're live. So, paano natin ito yun? Wait po. Wait lang. Wait lang. Oh. Alright. Ready ah? And,
The
tama?
Pokemon,
Okay, sige.
the Pokemon is the smallest pack out of these four.
Oo nga eh. Oo nga no. Teka lang. Wala mo yung gunting bago tayo mag-start kasi para hindi masira to. Madami tayo na damage na cards dahil kaka-off. Di ka marunong mag-open sa ano.
I don't know how to
Okay,
open.
ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi, I'm Michael.
Andre,
And welcome to
Diva's
Diva's
Realm.
Realm. Cards
toys,
and travel. Today is April
Second,
2nd, April 2, 2026. At dahil holiday, we're going to open some
Pokemon, Cookie Run, One Piece. Some packs.
packs. So meron tayong perfect order na di ko masabi kasi nakikita kami sa Miniso. Pero I think nasabi ko siya, Miniso. Nakabili kami sa SM Mega Mall sa Miniso. Ito, Cookie Run, matagal ng One Piece. And we'll open some kasi may mga sealed items kami na bubuksan natin today. Oh, Sir Sol, good morning. Ito na yung live na hinihingi ng ating mga kaibigan. Dahil holiday, wala akong ginagawa. May nagtatrabaho sa bubong. Hopefully, hindi na mabasa. Madami kami na damage na gamit. But it is what it is. Lesson learned. Anyway, we're going to open some
Pokemon,
na.
perfect order.
We're going to open some Cookie Run.
A game of truth and deceit. A Cookie Run. Fireland of the Duden. Land of the Patney.
Okay, some One Piece cards.
One Piece Heroine Edition. One Piece
And
card game. Egghead Crisis. One Piece.
EB04 and EB03. So, okay. I think
What should we
Pokemon
open?
ang ilalas natin. Then before matapos, magbukas tayo ng One Piece. And we're open Cookie Run muna tayo ngayon. So, ano nga ba? Hindi ko malala kung saan ang una dito eh. Ito na una bago to. Sige.
Is it because it has more characters?
So, no, the date.
Huh?
It was 11/07/25 and this is 2/06/26. Okay, choose your pack. Pack battle tayo ngayon. Okay, sige. This is my 2. Okay, from here naman. Hinawakan pa talaga. Okay, this is my sa 3, sa EB03. Mga old stock na ngayon lang natin bubuksan. Ito dalawa lang kasi gusto ko mag-silpa ng konti. Okay. And for the Pokemon, isang art set tayo. Okay. So last natin ang Pokemon.
Clefairy Magic.
Ang unahin natin is itong Land of Fire and Ruin.
And Realm of Patney.
Alright. Sige. Bato, gusto mo na.
Bato,
Pick. Ikaw muna. Use the scissor. Careful ka lang
But I want to use my magic hands to give this luck.
Hindi kasi sayang gamitin natin tong kasi kung sisirain mo na yun.
If none of this gets hit, it's because of the
Isa
scissors.
lang.
If none of this gets any hits, it's because of the scissors.
Hey, use it properly. That's not yung finger mo Okay. Do you know how to use the scissor?
You only give me safety scissors.
Delikado yung ginagawa mo.
If none of this pack has hits, it's because we didn't use my magic hand.
Okay, hindi makita.
Kuminom cookie. I just call it fox cookie. I just call it monkey monk.
Young Kulfi.
Monkey monk.
Monkey monk.
Yes, a tail and he's a monk like this. Young milk villager cookie.
Okay. Ito, shoutout kay Jeremiah Mantal kasi siya yung may gusto ng cookie run ulit. So,
Ito si
para
Taro
sa ito,
Crispy.
Jeremiah.
Yo!
Oy!
Cobra.
Oh, it's a rare.
Kila, ki,
Yeah, it's a rare.
Kilantio.
Mm.
Kilantro. Kilantro Cobra. Cobra cookie.
Oh, lagyan mo. Alright. Okay, next. My turn.
Today's the day I finally put the hit in
Okay.
this thing.
My turn to open. Ginugupit natin kasi I want to save the pack for the artwork. Kaya, hindi naman artwork. Pero para may paglalagyan tayo mamaya. Kasi puno na yung aming
Daddy, don't forget who's winning.
Kuhimo cookie. Strawberry cookie, my favorite. Young milk villager cookie. Pinecone cookie and ultra rare Wheel of Nature.
Oh, come on.
Wow.
Why are you winning?
Gusto ko sana mag-open ng magic cards.
But
Kaso ang mahal ngayon.
expensive.
Gusto ko bilhin yung sa Spider-Man. Pero
Spider-Man.
yung Final Fantasy, wala tayong magandang pulse doon eh. Ang dami kong nabili. Mahal na ng magic cards dati.
What?
Talo. Wala na. Ito meron. Wala na nga. Bato eh. Wala na. Buti na lang meron tayong bagong bili. Mag-welcome. Hi, welcome again. Good morning. Magano ka, magsalita ka, Andre. Magsalita ka kasi. Magsalita ka kasi yung engagement ng ating mga viewers. Kahit isa lang.
But you're talking. You're the one who's
Okay,
talking
next
the
pack.
You're the one who's talking the most.
You have to talk din kasi so that people can hear your voice. You
Hello?
talk about ano bang gusto mo, bakit tayo nagbubukas ng kukiran or what? So yan na. Okay. You talk while you
Purple bull cookie. It just says saffron buffalo.
shaman.
I
Okay.
just call it purple buffalo cookie.
Okay.
Manager cheesebird.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Yugwa.
Yogurt cookie.
Affogato. Coffee naman. Affogato coffee. Sige.
Dark cookie.
Okay.
Yo!
Oh, wow!
I know this. This is one of the. This is one of the ancient cookie. Ancient cookie.
So expired na? Ancient.
Ancient hero cookie.
Okay. I thought you said ancient. It's expired.
No, it's ancient hero cookie. Look.
Wow.
Look. What does it says? Ancient. Ancient.
Ancient.
It's not expired, Daddy.
Wow. Okay. So we have. Siyempre, kailangan natin good binder behavior. Wait lang. Double sleeve natin with a perfect fit and a standard fit.
Wait, please. Cheese.
Okay. So we have two ultra rare and one rare. Okay.
Who's winning? It's me. It's me.
Sa ngayon, yes.
Because I got a rare and a ultra rare. And you only got
For
an ultra
now.
rare.
So, nabili namin tong cookie run na to sa game line, SM Taytay, I think. If I'm not
You
mistaken,
don't know
SM
how
Taytay.
rare is. You don't know how rare is
Romanade
to get.
cookies, adventure or cookie, vagabond cookie, bubong namin, heart, light, and okay, rare oyster cookie. So, I think we're tied, but in terms of artwork, I think you won.
You don't know how rare is it to get this golden cheese cookie in the game.
Yes.
You don't know how.
I don't know.
It's an ancient hero cookie.
All right. So I think Andre won because of the artwork. I like the artwork of the golden cheese cookie.
No,
Ikaw?
because this is golden cheese cookie is one of the ancient hero cookie in the game.
Okay. So
And they're one of the
let's
most
say
hardest to
tie
get.
because we got two of us has gotten ultra rare. So
What's
tie.
better artwork?
If artwork, I think you won. But for the sake of pulling something, I think both of us won.
Look,
Okay? Deal?
Look, Daddy.
Deal?
Look. This is just an
Still.
I'm just
Ultra
pointing.
rare. Same ultra rare.
Look, Ultra rare ancient. There's one more, so
yeah.
this is more better than yours.
No.
Look, ancient.
Okay, fine. It's tie.
No.
It's tie. It's tie. Okay, next.
If you don't believe me,
Next.
go.
Next pack.
If you don't
Ito
believe,
naman.
if you
A
don't
game
believe
of
me,
truth and deceit. Okay.
Shadow Milk Cookie.
O, ikaw una pa rin.
If you don't believe it, play the game yourself and you'll see how hard is it.
Right. So, good morning sa inyong lahat.
Wait
Sa
a
mga
minute.
nanonood sa amin this morning.
Clan Fairy Cookie, but it kinda looks like this dude.
That's
But
different.
as his daughter. Shadow Milk Cookie daughter? Cheese! Cheese! Bird cheese cookie. I like it melted. Caramelon. Caramelon cookie. Where's the melon?
And, meron pa pala.
I mean, this
Okay.
pumpkin pie. Halloween cookie.
And,
please! This is Shadow Milk Cookie.
Wow.
This is one of the Beast Cookie. Beast
think-
Cookie is one of the strongest and rarest to get. Shadow Milk Cookie.
So, medyo ano tayo
He's the only one remaining in the Beast Cookie because 3 of them died in the war.
Okay. Yun yung kwento niya.
Daddy, this is much better than Golden Cheese Cookie. By
Why?
the way. Beast Cookie. This is a Beast Cookie.
Okay. So, we got 3 ultra rares already.
Wait, how much packs did we open? 5
5
out of 5 hits.
Yeah, yes.
This is when he becomes evil.
Dahan-dahanin natin buksan lahat to, mga kaibigan, mga kapatid. Again, good morning,
Daddy,
good morning.
who's winning? It's me.
Don't shout.
Okay.
Linzer, caramel, clove.
Wait.
Huh? What? Wait, don't touch. Wait. Parang may mali.
Anime style.
Ah.
No wait, Daddy.
Don't touch, ha? Don't
He looks
touch.
like he
Yeah.
infected the witch.
Silver Bell and SR! SR win Archer Cookie.
Daddy, did you know that Ultra is better than Super? Did you know that?
Why?
Ultra,
Hmm.
Super.
Hmm.
Superman is bigger than Ultraman.
Are you sure?
Who is Ultraman again?
Ultraman is a Japanese superhero.
Daddy,
Alright. Sige.
if you
Next.
compare this one to these two, if you pick one of this card and versus this card, they will always win.
Okay. Next. Paano do you always win?
Check the game.
Why?
Check the game.
Alam ko lang kasi card eh. Hindi yung game mismo eh. Okay. Your last pack of Cookie Run. Then we'll proceed to One Piece.
This looks like another of Shadow Milk Cookie's daughter.
Okay.
Gingerbread. This is the OG character.
Yeah. Sa first set pa lang nila may ganyan. Butter roll cookie.
This looks like a chef. Though this clothes.
I
It's
don't
white.
think so.
Wait
Maybe.
a minute. That's the same person as this guy.
Okay.
But
Sure?
after the battle.
After the battle. Okay.
Secret
Wow!
Who's winning?
Don't shout, please. Don't
Secret
shout,
game.
please. Wow! Wow!
Daddy,
Secret rare.
now who do you think is winning?
Wow.
It's me. It's me.
Okay,
George is more luckier than Daddy Pig. I'm George.
well, I'm not your daddy pig, so
What?
I'm not daddy pig.
Are you sure? Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure.
No, you're not.
Yes, I'm sure.
I'm George.
You're George. Ako, tao ako eh.
You're wearing blue like Daddy Pig.
Nope. Alright, last pack. Last pack. Last pack of Cookie Run. So,
Yeti.
Yeti, Capsaicin, Candy Corn, Yoga
What?
Cookie, and yup. Oh, SR. It's still an SR.
My luck is better
Yeah.
than yours.
I think, Aubrey, for me, we won, regardless. Because we got a secret rare. Yes, po, baby. Nandito
You
ang
got a
aming
secret rare because
baby
of
girl. Alright. So, I think we won. Both of us won. And we got all, meron tayong hit sa lahat.
Aubrey.
All of us has hit, right?
Take off of that cloth. You look kind of weird.
Alright, sige. Sige naman natin.
You look weird.
So, we got one secret rare, two SR, ano ba daw? Three ultra rares and two rares. So, all of our packs has hit. Ang ganda ng kuha ko.
What do you mean? That's my.
No, I bought the pack. I chose the pack. Eh. We just opened the pack. So,
Daddy.
yes. Wait lang po. Wait lang.
Daddy.
Wait lang po.
Daddy.
Wait lang.
Aubrey.
Aubrey, wait lang.
Aubrey.
Wait lang, tapusin ko lang. Ha?
Aubrey, you're not the main focus. It's the card choose the main focus.
Okay.
Daddy, since we got all hit, should we open more Cookie Run?
Oh, okay na yan. Okay na yan. Alright. So, our
Don't you like
hits
the
so far-
artworks?
Wait lang. Ako narinig ko dito nagtatakot. Anyway, ito yung hits natin.
Daddy, make a
Wait
beatboxing.
lang po ha.
Make
Para makita
beatboxing.
natin ang mga hits natin. Wait lang, Aubrey ha. Tapusin lang namin to ha. Then we'll play. Alright. That's it for Cookie Run. Now is the time to go to... Ano ba next? One Piece. Siyempre, unahin natin ang EB03.
Come on, where's the boys? Where's it on girls?
Pang babae to. Girl set kasi to.
We're boys.
Yeah.
You said this is for girls.
No. Yung characters daw,
Ay.
focus on sa mga babae siya. Okay, One Piece na tayo.
Stop.
Sige, go.
Puta.
Ganun ba na naman?
Wait a minute.
Di ba dito ko pa?
That's this girl.
Si Kuya, dito. Ano kaya yun?
Ako ano, naka-invert kasi.
Oh.
Kasi
Saka yung ano, pag na-raise ko.
I think this is from.
inverted kasi yung...
I think this is
Ayusin ko
from
nga, wait
Do
lang.
Flamingo. This is from Do Flamingo's club. CP9. Hindi got a rare. It's Shirahoshi.
Okay. It's okay.
Eh,
We cannot get it all.
But does it look like
Okay.
Cookie Run has more
Hit
luck than
rates?
us? Yes.
It's Cookie Run eh.
You even got a secret.
Alright, my first pack of EB03. Wait lang po, wait lang. Aray ko. Girl with ice cream. Sino to?
Uta.
Utang.
Utang.
Utang. And yeah. Okay, no, walang masyado. Next. Andre, go now.
I was just looking at the Cookie Run.
Okay. Aubrey.
Okay, you're not the
Sige na, it's
center
okay.
of.
It's okay.
Aubrey,
It's
you're
okay.
not the center of attention. It's the
Oh, yan ang
cards.
ganda ng pinto ng Magic Wood.
Now we got
Ano yun?
Nami.
Nami.
White hair, white dress girl.
Girl reading book.
Fighting girl.
Girl with a sword. Fighting.
Vikings girl.
Fighting. Girl with
Wings.
wings. Aubrey. Careful ha. Careful.
I know this is from the Wano arc.
Oy, nahulog na. Ayusin mo
This
yun.
is from the Wano arc.
Ayusin
He
mo yun,
transformed
nahulog.
into a spider.
Okay.
So spider girl.
Oh, teka lang. Wait a minute. Hey!
What? Daddy,
Okay.
One Piece is giving us nothing.
Parang ayaw ko na magbukas ng One Piece muna. Parang,
Cookie
anyway. Oh.
How about cooking?
Ayan.
Okay, my last pack of EB03. Oh, Bri, ano mo, wala sa focus. Dog drinking something.
Daddy.
Ah!
Daddy.
Wait, hindi ko makita. Last, and yeah! Wait lang, hindi ko makita. Wait, Aubrey, I cannot see. Ay, okay, wala rin naman pala kailangan makita. Okay. So, EB03, 0. Wala tayong hit sa EB03. Okay, Andre, let's go to EB04. EB04 na. Then we'll go to 1P Pokemon. Aubrey, wait lang po. Wait lang.
I bet you're just waiting for Pokemon. Egghead.
Alright.
Is it called Egghead because the island looks like an egg?
Egghead Crisis.
Or is it because Dr. Vega
Hindi ka nakita.
or is it because Dr. Vegapunk looks like an egg?
Maybe. I don't know.
This looks like a doctor.
Hindi ko makita. I cannot see.
Female lion or tiger. Shoboking. Shoboking hindi. I forgot who's this guy again.
Bridge. Stop na.
Sniper.
I cannot see.
A sniper that
Mahulog ka,
hungry
mahulog.
girl. Scarred man.
Hindi ko makita. Pa yan, wala tayong hits. Wala tayo. Aubrey, stop please. Stop. Okay? Stop muna ha. Wala tayong hits sa One Piece. Okay. Last pack of EB04. Man. Huwag lang sana weighted to, no? Wala tayong magdadagdag na maganda sa collection natin. And, oh!
Daddy,
0.
I told you.
Zero luck. Zero luck sa
Daddy,
One Piece.
I told you
Aubrey,
Cookie Run
stop
has
muna.
more luck than One Piece.
Stop ka muna. Stop ka muna. Pwede.
Aubrey.
Wala tayong luck sa One Piece. Ano ba yan?
Sa Cookie Run.
Ano ko rin?
How much
Okay.
luck did you open in Cookie Run?
8
Eight.
total.
8 out of 8 hits.
8 out of 8 hits. Sa One Piece naman is
0 out of 0.
6 out of 0. 0 out of 6. Okay. For the main event. Drum roll, please. Again, I'm Michael.
Andre,
And welcome to
Diva's
Diva's Realm. Cards
toys.
and travel.
Aubrey, you're not the center of attention. It's the card.
Hey, don't. Hindi ganyan. Aubrey, please. Can you, lang? Tapusin lang namin. Okay. Okay, marunong ka na magbukas niyan, di ba? You don't need any scissors for Pokemon.
You just
Alright.
need to wait for like 10 minutes.
So, konting tips lang. Please make sure that your collection is properly stored away from water damage, sunlight, and anay. Sa amin kasi marami na damage dito. Nagpaayos kami ng bubong, may tumulo, nabasa. Even 1 ETB. Ano, kamusta ka dyan?
I don't.
Alright, sige.
I told you you need to wait for 10 minutes.
Can you help mo na nahulog? Ay, uy,
I already opened it. Cliff
Sira.
Fairy? Cliff
Wait ka
Fairy.
lang.
Cliff Fairy, Cliff Fairy. Cliff Fairy. Ghastly.
Crashing
Red Hammer.
You read the card.
Salandit. Luxio.
Luxio, yeah. Hey,
Pokipad.
Pokipad.
Nananana. Dancing. Versalodorus.
Jasper! Nice! Nice, 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 nice. Wait. Where's my sleeves? Ayun.
At least Pokemon has some hits.
Yeah.
Wow,
It's an
gusto ko
illus-
yung ba?
ano, illustration there,
Illustration
ah.
rare. I got it from the first reverse hollow. So
Aubrey.
it's,
Stop. Pwede? Stop ka muna. Stop muna, stop muna. Andre, can you get the ano, yung mga nahulog?
okay.
Andre's on fire.
My hands are in the fire like what I did in Pokemon, but not One Piece.
Oo nga, wala tayong nakit sa One Piece. Aubrey, please. Nahirapan ako. Nahirapan ako, ha. Okay, my turn. Hopefully, we got something good din.
Where do I put it?
Lagay mo lang muna sa gilid. Ako na mag-aayos mamaya.
I put it back sa taas.
Okay, sige. Ay, nasira. Oh,
Okay.
okay. My first pack
My first
sa
pack
Pokemon.
sa Pokemon.
Alright.
Alright.
Fire energy.
Fire
Oh,
energy.
excuse me. Oh, oh, oh,
Kiss
oh.
me.
So, fighting energy.
Fire
Rowlet.
energy. Rowlet.
Antique Jaw Fossil.
And
Amaura.
Amor.
Banelby. Energy Swatter. Volcanyon na hindi fire. Aegis Slash. Spinarak. And Tyranitar and Luxray. Ooh, burn.
Ha, I'm winning.
Okay,
It's because
your
Ang
turn.
dami naman Pokemon ko eh.
Yes. Marami nga.
Anong namin?
Welcome. Ay, may viewers. Ay, wala yung viewer natin. Anyway, hi.
it's just a curt comment. What does it say? What does the
Ano yan?
comment say? Pokeball. Let's see. What energy?
Fire.
Leaf.
Oh, meta. I saw something. I saw something. I saw something. I saw something. I saw something.
Daddy, the viewer
I
doesn't.
saw something.
The viewer doesn't want to get a spoiler.
I saw something. Sige
Daddy,
na.
they don't like
Ay,
spoiler.
ay,
alert.
ay, ay, ay,
You couldn't just spoiler
Ah,
alert so
sige.
they can skip
Okay,
that
okay,
part.
okay.
Pokeball.
Wait lang, di ka makakita.
Because you saw the hit. Daddy,
Yeah.
when you say something, say spoiler alert.
Shinx.
Dinosaur.
Shaman.
Shaman.
Lumious Gallets. Galaxy.
Antique.
Radicate. Potion, Reverse Halo. Turn. Oh!
Yeah, Kuya Wee!
Wait.
Daddy! Daddy!
Wait lang.
Daddy!
Whoa.
Daddy! Daddy,
Yes.
ito your Ashburn din sila yan, remember?
Ah?
Yung guy, inopen Pokemon
Oo.
card friend din siya yan.
Meron din siya
Now we
niyan.
got it.
Yes. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Oh.
Look, my hands are super hot today.
My hand is super hot today.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Lord.
Ayun.
Wait, who picked those packs? You or me?
Me.
Mama.
All right. 2 hits for Andre. Good.
2 out of
Daddy,
2 for
ayaw.
me.
2 out of 2. Okay.
How about you?
My last pack. Last pack magic. Do you believe, Aubrey? Do you believe that we will get a hit? No. Ikaw. Do you believe that I can have a hit?
A Mega Starmie.
No. I was thinking about the Meowth illustration or SIR. Whew, this is it. Where's Pikachu?
Oh yeah, I forgot Pikachu. The
We
one
need
who gave us
Pikachu.
a-
To give us, wala
Daddy,
tayong,
magnet. Bakit
wala
magnet?
tayong,
Magnet.
magnet. Wala pala yung video natin. Hindi tayo nakikita.
I want Pikachu.
Hindi ko pa nalagay yung video ng camera. So,
Pikachu.
What do you mean?
yung video, hindi natin na.
Pikachu.
Pera muna ako. Okay, i-kiss muna natin kay Pikachu.
What do you mean, kita naman?
Walang kakalagay ko lang eh.
Eh.
Sige,
Let
sige,
Pikachu kiss.
Sige na, okay na. Alright, last black magic.
Over your
S-I-R.
Is this an SIR?
Wait lang po, I don't think so. S-I-R. Aubrey, please. Okay? S-I-R. Okay, anong energy? Uy, may damage yun ah. Fire. Ikaw.
Leaf. Like this thing.
Water. Okay, water energy. Hippopotas. Dartrix. Mawile. Ratatata. Ratatatatata. Ratatagon. Diggers B. Barbaracle. Snorlax. And Hunter. And I lost no hits.
Who's the winner? Cookie Run.
Don't shout, please. Don't shout.
Sabi ko, waya.
Ikaw kasi, ikaw yung jinx ko eh.
Jinx.
You jinx me. Wala tuloy tayo nakuha.
Jinx.
Anyway,
Jinx
wala
is-
tayong
Jinx is a game of
wala tayong hits sa One Piece. Marami tayong hits sa Cookie Run,
I won.
which we opened 8 packs.
And we got 8
8
hits.
hits
8
sa
out of 8.
One Piece.
0 out of 6.
Apat na EB03, dalawang EB04, no hits. And for the Pokemon Perfect Order 4 packs, we got 2 hits from the pack of Andre.
I win.
And I
Oh,
lost.
I win.
I lost miserably. I got
I
no
win.
hits for that 4 packs. So ilang packs binuksan natin ngayon? 8,
8,
12,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
18
14,
packs.
15, 16.
18 packs, no? We opened 18
18
packs of different TCG.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
18. Alright. So that's it for today. I'm Michael. Sino ka? Ikaw, sino ka? You say your name. You say your name.
His name is.
You say my name. You say
His
I'm
name. His name
Aubrey.
is.
I'm Aubrey. And this is
Divas
Divas Realm Cards
Toys.
and
Travel.
Travel.
Wait, Daddy.
Ay,
For the final opening, let's put all the hits we got.
Okay. Wait, wala naman tayong hit sa One Piece. So, Ano
Pikachu.
ko Aubrey, I cannot, hirapan daddy.
Pikachu.
So, out of
Pikachu 2, Pikachu 3,
out of 18 packs, we got
Pikachu,
4, 8, 10 hits.
Pikachu.
18 packs ba tayo? 8. Well,
18.
Teka lang. Ba't parang kulang? Kasi wala nga pala ako. Wala pala akong hit sa Pokemon. Oh my gosh. Anyway, that's it for today's video.
Wait.
Why?
Try to guess what's the most best card here.
Ay, may viewers tayo. Hi, viewers.
Ah,
Hello, welcome to Divas Realm Cards
Toys
and
Travel.
Travel.
Try to guess
Pikachu.
what is the best card here.
Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you for joining us. Please like, share, and subscribe sa aming YouTube. Ay, hindi ko pala pinost yung YouTube channel natin. Anyway, sa FB Live kasi tayo eh. Anyway, that's it. Bye! God bless and see you next video. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Oh,
Okay, end live.
there's 33 minutes.